This is Surya Padhi. Today's topic is SAP E-Accounting Solution for Mexico. And in this presentation, I will cover the requirement of SAT, that is Mexico Tax Authority, and what are the available solution and how you can implement it, and obviously SAP solution and the output of the product. So SAP E-Accounting requirement, and this is E-Accounting requirement is a Mexican tax authority requirement, and it came into effect starting from 2015. And this requirement covers and divided into four parts. First one is chart of account. Second one is the trial balance. And the third one is the journal entries. And the fourth one is auxiliary report. In case of chart of account, all the Mexico legal entities, they have to provide the chart of account in a specific format in a XML file, and they have to provide it the first time and after every change. And this is a not a regular requirement, but wherever there is a change we have to provide it. And the second requirement is trial balance, and this is a monthly requirement, and every month on the second month, the prior after the close of the particular month, within 3 days we have to the company, the legal entity of Mexico has to provide the trial balance to Mexican tax authority, and this is also in a XML file. The third requirement is the journal entries, and this is also, it can be for a customer, it can be for a vendor, it can be for a document, or it can be for a GL account. And this is a on demand requirement, as and when it is requested by SAT, that is Mexican Tax Authority, the entity has to provide it. The third requirement, the fourth one is the auxiliary report, and it is a on demand requirement from the Mexican authority, and this is also in a XML format. So available solution, if you go to the today's market, there are various e-accounting solution available from the different service provider, but I feel comfortable running SAP's solution, that is SAP e-accounting for Mexico, and it fulfills all the legal requirement of Mexico. Let us talk about SAP's e-accounting solution. And to implement this e-accounting solution, you have to implement near about 100 OSS nodes and few enhancement, and then the configuration. At the end, you will get a transaction code, and which will provide the selection screen to generate the file, XML file for SAT, that is Mexican Tax Authority. The single transaction code provides all the four output. First one, as we discussed, the chart of account. Second one is account balance. Third one is the journal entries. Fourth one is auxiliary accounting. And this particular selection, it is for the chart of account. And in case of chart of account, we have to select, we have to key the company code, reporting year, reporting period, financial statement version, and this financial statement version is specifically designed as per the SAP SAT grouping code, and we have to provide the digital signature, and we have to select here the primary chart of account or it is a country chart of account. Once you execute the transaction, you will be getting something like this screen, and this is the old screen. And here you can see the accounts are grouped as per the requirement of SAT, and it has nature, whether it is a debit natural table balance or it is a credit balance. And here the entities tax ID, and this is for period 1 and this is for period 14, like year 2014. And this is the second requirement. This is the account balance. As you said that it is account balance. We have to select, in addition to others, we have to select the ledger group or ledger, and here the signature and the reporting year and the reporting period and the company code. Once you execute this transaction, we will be getting a screen like this where it will give the opening balance for that period, debit transaction of that period, and credit transaction for that period and the closing balance. And this is also executed for 2014 in period 1. And this is the third requirement. This is the journal entries. And as you said that this has a board selection screen, because as I said, it can be for a document number, or it can be document type, it can be a particular GL account, or it can be a particular customer, or it can be a particular document, that is UID. Once this is the fourth requirement, this is XML accounting, and here we have to key the reconciliation account um, along with the other parameter, whatever mentioned in this screen. Once you input the parameter, and it will generate XML file. This is the sample XML file for JE. In this file, you can see that there are various components involved. This is the order number. This is the requirement type. This is the fiscal year, fiscal period, and this is the RFC ID of the company, and that is company code or the legal entity. And this is the UID of that particular transaction. This is also UID of the particular transaction, and this is the RFC code for the customer or vendor. And this is the amount. This is the GL account, and this is another GL account. And once you have the XML file ready, and you either you can, at the time of entering the file name of the output file name, you can specify the file name or you can rename the file. However, SAT need specific file name convention mm, for to upload in their site. Let me know if you have any question on this solution. I'm ready to help you. Subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. It may be helpful for them. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.